Thank you for purchasing your new high-low rocker from IBI Scientific. In this video, we will show you how to assemble your high-low rocker, adjust the tilt of the rocker, and how to add up to 3 more platforms to maximize efficiency. Additional platforms are available as a part of our lab startup kits and sold separately. When you purchase your IBI high-low rocker, you will receive the 3 unassembled pieces of the rocker, a platform mat, a power cord, and an operation manual. To assemble the high-low rocker, you will only need a Phillips head screwdriver. As mentioned, your new high-low rocker comes to you packaged in 3 pieces, which must be put together prior to use: the base, the platform with traveler arm attached, and the control module with motor. Before you begin, ensure that all electrical components are off and your high-low rocker is unplugged. Loosen the 2 base screws which secure the flange of the motor control module. Insert the platform with the traveler arm. Place the module so the shoulder washer attached to the base slips into the large part of the keyhole slot in the bottom of the module. Push the motor control module forward and guide the traveler cam into the traveler arm groove. Tighten the 2 screws holding the flange in place. Attach the power cord to the IEC in the front of the motor control module. Plug the cord into a wall outlet of the appropriate voltage to operate. Next, we will show you how to adjust the tilt of the platform. The angle of the platform can be adjusted from a minimum of 2 degrees to a maximum of 11 degrees. Loosen the thumb screw on the angle adjustment bracket. Facing from the rear of the unit, move to the left for maximum tilt and the right for minimum tilt. Tighten the thumb screw to secure the platform tilt angle. Please note that the maximum load should not exceed 20 pounds. You may elect to buy up to 3 additional platforms for your high-low rocker, or purchase one of the high-low rocker lab startup kits. Next, we will show you how to easily connect these additional platforms to your base unit. Set the basic rocker unit up as described in the previous section. Attach the 2 uprights, front and back. Slide the platform rotation hole with bearing over the fulcrum installed in the rear upright. The half hole in the front of the platform rests on the fulcrum post at the front of the unit. Attach the additional platforms. Work your way up from the bottom to the final platform. The final platform uses a stabilizing rod as its fulcrum post. Insert the rod into the rotation hole of the platform and secure the supportive rod to both uprights. Tighten all screws and bolts prior to turning the high-low rocker on. For more information on this product or any of IBI Scientific's other 100% American-made benchtop mechanical products, please visit us at ibisci.com. That's ibisci.com. IBI Scientific, building quality life science products.